If you're experiencing payment errors on Dropbox Sign, follow these straightforward steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Review account status. Log into your Dropbox Sign account and check if there are any notifications regarding your account status. Ensure that your account is in good standing and not suspended or restricted. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes, browser cache can cause issues with payment processing. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart the browser and try the payment process again. Step 4. Try a different browser or device. If the issue persists, attempt to make the payment using a different web browser or device. This can help determine if the problem is related to your current browser or device settings. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, reach out to Dropbox Sign support for assistance. Provide them with details about the error message and any steps you've already taken to troubleshoot. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve payment errors on Dropbox Sign efficiently. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support.